Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our snowboarding game, and in this video we're going to make a ball roll through around in here. So all we have to first of all want to do, so wait, our game is over here. I would like to be dragged over here so we can see both of them. Yes, so now, yes, like this is good. Yes, so now we would like to a ball. So now we come over here to 2D objects, physics, and click dynamic sprite. So as we see, we have got something like this. It already comes with collider and everything, like unrigid body, and we want it to be dynamic. So now let's come to our land, and in here we'd like to add edge collider. So look, you got the edge collider, and so you see, so now let's look how it will look when we add the edge collider. So as you see, the ball is rolling. Yes, but it looks like it's not in the snow. We can also change that, but look in here. We can change this in the collider. Look, we can make it to be a little bit in the snow. So now it will look like it's going in the snow. Yeah. Yeah, like this is better. Looks like it's going on the snow. Also, like in here, when we look, we've got like some dots in here. Looks very bad. So to like make it normal, so that it's normal, like real snow, all we have to come is to come here to sprite editor and make it until here, and from here this to here, and then we click this and then click save. So now we've got normal snow. Let's go. Okay, so guys, this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.